ठुकराओ अब के प्यार करो, मैं नशे में हूँ। दोस्तों क्या हाल है आपके? टुडे इज द 8th of February. आज जगजीत सिंह साहब का बर्थडे एंड ही वाज वन ऑफ द two musicians that I grew up admiring and looking up to, the other being R.D. Burman Sahab. As a way of remembering him, as also the fantastic ghazals and poems he chose and curated and sang, I've decided to pick up some of these ghazals and I don't know, talk about them, unpack them and try and hum them. अब सुर अगर थोड़ा सा छूट जाए तो मुझे माफ कीजिएगा, बहुत टाइम से नहीं गाया मैंने. I'm calling these attempts poetry pantry. घरों में हमारे होता है कुछ, आप उठा लेते हैं उसमें. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एपिसोड और मुझे लगा कि इसे जगजीत सिंह साहब के बर्थडे पे लॉन्च किया जाए क्योंकि हमारे बड़े थे और हमने उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है. खैर, फॉर दीज एपिसोड्स टेक अ मोमेंट, सिट वेयर यू आर, आराम से बैठिए. ये थोड़ी लंबी बातचीत हो सकती है. हर चीज़ समझने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हर चीज़ अग्री करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. थोड़ी देर साथ चलते हैं, बात करते हैं और फिर देखते हैं क्या निकलता है. टुडेज गज़ल ठुकराओ अब के प्यार करो मैं नशे में हूँ इज ऑफन हर्ड एज अ शराबियों वाली गज़ल, पर मुझे शुरू से इसमें हल्का सा कुछ और दिखता है. दिस इज शाहिद कबीर्स गज़ल मैं नशे में हूँ. वी हर्ड दिस गज़ल इन जगजीत सिंह साहब्स एल्बम ऑनकोर. मुझे याद नहीं कौन से साल में आई थी, बट my take on this is, what if the nasha is not alcohol at all? What if the nashedi here is someone who's too invested, too alive, too deeply into something, a dream, a relationship, a calling, a way of life? Because honestly, the world has always been uncomfortable with people who feel too much or stay too invested. Shahid Kabir captures that discomfort beautifully in this ghazal. ठुकराओ अब के प्यार करो मैं नशे में हूँ, जो चाहो मेरे यार करो मैं नशे में हूँ. Reject me or love me, do whatever you want. I'm not fully in control right now. I'm intoxicated. मैं नशे में. This is not carelessness. This is surrender. The Shair isn't saying I don't care. He's saying I care too much. ठुकराओ अब के प्यार करो, जो चाहो मेरे यार करो. When you're deeply invested in love, in art, in a belief, in work, you stop negotiating. You say, this is where I stand. You decide what you want to do with me. And the world usually responds with discomfort. अगर कोई बोलता है I'm all in, if that scares you, that's okay, तो लोग uncomfortable हो जाते हैं. But I'm not going to pretend I'm less. अब भी दिला रहा हूँ यकीने वफा, मगर मेरा ना एतबार करो मैं नशे में हूँ. अब भी दिला रहा हूँ यकीने वफा, मगर आई एम स्टिल ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस यू ऑफ माई सिंसेरिटी. मेरा ना एतबार करो, बट डोंट ट्रस्ट मी कंप्लीटली. आई एम इंटॉक्सिकेटेड, मैं नशे में हूँ. दिस शेर इज क्वाइटली devastating. The Shair is saying, I mean every word I'm saying. I mean it. But please remember, I'm speaking from intensity, my passion, not strategy. There is self-awareness. People who are deeply passionate often say things that they feel completely in the moment, but they know the world will later hold them to it. So the Shair warns you himself. I'm speaking from my heart right now, but don't turn this into a legal contract later. अब भी दिला रहा हूँ यकीन वफा, मगर मेरा ना एतबार करो मैं नशे में हूँ. You know, this is my meaning, this is my passion. मुझको कदम कदम पे भटकने दो, वाइजों, तुम अपना कारोबार करो, मैं नशे में हूं. Let me wander and stumble at every step, O preachers, वाइजों. You carry on with your business. मैं नशे में हूं, तुम अपना कारोबार करो, मैं नशे में हूं. This शेर is Shahid Kabir at his most politely rebellious. He is talking to the wise, the moral instructors, the advice givers, the ones who always know the right way to live. He's not angry with them. He's not arguing. He's just saying, please, let me take my own wrong turns. You do what you're good at. Tum apna karobar karo. Giving advice, running systems, managing rules. There is a quiet separation happening here. Not arrogance, not disrespect, just boundaries. Tum apna karobar karo. Gentle defiance, just calm refusal hota hai na, कि man choosing his own mistakes and saying, तुम अपना कारोबार करो. Please don't manage my life for me. You run your systems, your opinions, your algorithms. I'll figure out my own way, even if I stumble. गिरने दो तुम मुझे, मेरा सागर संभाल लो, इतना तो मेरे यार करो, मैं नशे में हूँ. Let me fall. गिरने दो तुम मुझे. Just save my cup. मेरा सागर संभाल लो. Do me this small favor. Okay? I'm intoxicated. मैं नशे में हूँ. This is vulnerability without drama. Shair is saying, I may lose balance. I may stumble. But don't take away what sustains me. मेरा सागर संभाल लो. The cup here is the thing that keeps us alive, our passion, our art, our madness, our truth. I might mess up, but just don't take away the one thing that keeps me going. This ghazal, ladies and gentlemen, दोस्तों, isn't about alcohol at all, अगर आप इसको मेरी नजर से देखें. It's about what happens when you are too alive for a world that prefers moderation. Shahid Kabir isn't glorifying excess. He's describing the loneliness of being fully invested in a half-invested world. And maybe that's why this ghazal still feels relevant. If today you are the one who feels like you have your own nasha, your passion and meaning, too emotional, too committed, too intense, this ghazal, this poem isn't asking you to change. It's just saying, be aware, be gentle and keep your cup safe. अपना जो सागर है वो संभाल के रखिए. ठुकराओ अब के प्यार करो, मैं नशे में हूँ, जो चाहो मेरे यार करो, मैं नशे में हूँ. This is the first time I'm trying something like this, and I intend to call this Poetry Pantry. I want to pick poetry that I grew up on and heard as a kid and as a younger man, and just क्या कहते हैं, unpack it. Next time we'll open another shelf in this pantry, दोस्तों. Another poem, a ghazal most probably. Until then, take what you need, दोस्तों. This pantry never runs dry. ठुकराओ अब के प्यार करो, मैं नशे में हूँ,